In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another DIY. So I'm excited about today's project. I think it turned out so adorable, and today I'm going to be making some snow globe spa gift kits that you can give away for the holidays. I got all these materials from the dollar store, so it's really affordable. And so if you want to see how these spa gift kits turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I've seen this great tip on social media to remove these labels, and this has been the easiest way that I've experienced removing labels, and it's just to use your hair dryer so it can just heat up the label and it comes right off. So after I finally got that taken off, then I can actually start decorating. And so here I am just adding some Mod Podge to just some scrap cardboard. And I actually have some chunks of stuff already in my Mod Podge, so I'm just working around that. But then I'm adding some glitter to it, and I'm just covering the entire small jar with some glittered Mod Podge. So here I am just mixing in some of the glitter with the Mod Podge just so I can have a light coating. But then I decided I wanted it to be covered a little bit more, so I ended up sprinkling some of the glitter on top of the Mod Podge at the end. After that, I grab one of the globes from the dollar store, and then I add some trees and some fake snow. I'm decorating 3 different jars, so I'm completing the same process for each of the jars for the snow globes. So I had 2 smaller jars and then this larger jar for the project. And so I'm just changing the color of this lid, and I'm just painting it with some black chalk paint. And then I'm gluing a wooden ornament tree on the front of the jar. And then it's time to assemble everything together. And then I'm adding some bath bombs to the smaller jars, and then I'm filling the larger jar with some Epsom salt. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.